Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create a static website using S3 in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in S3 dashboard. Here click on create a bucket, give any meaningful name. In the region, choose any region. I am going with US East 2. Now scroll down, remove this check and click on I acknowledge. Further scroll down to the bottom and click on create bucket. As you can see, our bucket is created successfully. Now click on this bucket. We need to provide the permissions for public access in this bucket. To this we will click on permissions, scroll down to bucket policy and click on edit. Here we have two different options. Either we go to policy generator and generate a policy, otherwise you can use the test policy from S3 documentations. Here I have saved this policy. If I open this policy, you can see the effect of this policy is allow. I am going to copy this policy and replace it with our test policy. Now in the source we need to change the ARN and provide the ARN of our bucket. Here you can see the bucket ARN. Just copy this ARN and replace with older. After replacing the ARN, scroll down to the bottom and click on save changes. Now our bucket policy is added successfully. Now if I click on objects and click on upload, here we need to upload our website. For this click on add files. Open this static website folder and upload these both files. Index.html is our main file. Error.html, if something goes wrong, then error.html file displayed. Click on open. Now scroll down and click on upload. If I go to the document and show you the both files, first I am going to show you index.html file. Here we can see we are just going to display welcome to OneMinuteLab. We are running a static website. Similarly, if I open the error.html file, here you can see this is showing us this is an error page. Home page is not found. Now come back to S3. As you can see, our files are uploaded successfully. Now close. Now we need to promote this bucket to a static website. For this, click on properties, scroll down to the bottom. Here in the bottom you can find static website hosting. Currently this is disabled. To enable this, click on edit and click on enable. Host a static web. In the index document, type index.html. In the error document, type error.html. After typing name, scroll down and click on save changes. As you can see, our changes are saved successfully. Now again scroll down to the bottom. Here now you can see a web link for our static website. Open this link to a new tab. Here you can see our website is running properly. If I again come back to the S3 console and go to our bucket, for any reason if our page is deleted, if I delete this page, how our error.html page will work? Click on delete objects. Now again if I go to the S3 bucket, here you can see now we have only error.html page. If I again go to the page and refresh this page, here you can see now our error page is displaying. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.